Let's talk about something that confuses many car enthusiasts. Why luxury cars, the epitome of opulence and innovation, lose their value faster than your average sedan. It feels like a paradox, doesn't it? You spend six figures on a car, expecting it to hold its grandeur forever, but then, boom, it's worth a fraction of that just a few years later. What's the deal? Here's the truth. Luxury cars are a status symbol, and as trends shift and newer, shinier models hit the market, older ones lose their allure. Think of it like fashion. Last season's designer handbag doesn't hold the same appeal when the latest collection drops. Similarly, when a newer luxury car flaunts more tech, better performance, or simply a fresher design, buyers gravitate toward it, leaving older models behind. Then there's the cost of ownership. Luxury cars often have higher maintenance costs, which deters second-hand buyers. Imagine shelling out thousands just to replace a headlight or maintain an air suspension system. It's a financial nightmare for those looking for value. Let's not forget depreciation is baked into the luxury experience. High-end vehicles typically come with premium features that, while cutting-edge at the time, age rapidly as technology advances. Today's cutting-edge infotainment system might feel ancient in 5 years. Another factor? Leasing. Many luxury car owners lease rather than buy outright, flooding the used car market with off-lease vehicles after a few years. This oversupply drives down prices even further, making depreciation a self-fulfilling prophecy. Finally, think about practicality. Luxury cars often aren't the most fuel-efficient, reliable, or practical options for everyday use. When you can get a dependable, budget-friendly car that does the job without the hefty repair bills, why choose a used luxury car? But hey, depreciation isn't all bad news. For savvy buyers, it's a golden opportunity to snag a high-end vehicle for a fraction of its original price. Sure, you'll need to budget for maintenance, but for some, the prestige is worth it. So, what's your take? Would you buy a used luxury car knowing it depreciates faster than a rock in free fall? Or do you prefer something more practical? Let's debate in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more intriguing car insights. See you in the next video.